If you're looking for a food gift idea or something just to sprinkle on your salad, these easy candied walnuts are just what you need. This recipe is so simple to make and it just takes a few minutes. Let's get started. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making easy candied walnuts. I love making these to give as a hostess gift or just to keep in my pantry to sprinkle on my salad. They're candied walnuts. Candied walnuts. So it's like taking something healthy and making it taste like candy. They're so addictive, you're gonna wanna pop them in your mouth just like candy. All you're going to need to make your candied walnuts are walnuts. I like to use the whole shelled walnuts, but you can use chopped walnuts or walnut pieces, work well also. Egg whites, cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, and brown sugar. So to make your candied walnuts, we're going to add the egg whites to a bowl and the brown sugar and then the vanilla. We'll just drizzle that over top. Kind of helps it break up a little bit. And then sprinkle your cinnamon. And you don't have to use cinnamon. You can actually make a spicy candied walnut if you want to add some cayenne to this. It's amazing. I love spiced nuts, like spicy nuts, spiced nuts. So definitely try it with the cayenne. We're gonna whisk this together. And if you have any lumps from your brown sugar, just break them up with your fork. We'll set this aside and we're going to add the walnuts to a bigger bowl. This just makes it easier to stir. And then pour your brown sugar egg white mixture over top of the nuts. We're just gonna toss these to combine. Your egg white mixture likes to sit at the bottom, so you're gonna have to scoop it from the bottom and just toss it around the walnuts. Once everything is combined, we're going to move the tray over. You're gonna wanna line this with either a silicone baking mat or a piece of parchment paper and just pour them out in any of that egg white mixture. Just get that on top. Spread it out into a single layer. Now that everything is spread out into a single layer, you're going to pop this into a 350-degree oven for about 8 minutes. You're just gonna wanna cool them for a few minutes so that they're easy to break apart. And then you wanna let them cool for about 10 minutes before you start to break them apart. So these have been sitting for a little bit and they're ready to be broken apart. So you can kind of just like peel them up off of your baking mat or your parchment paper. This is when you can actually package them to put them in like a cellophane bag with a little ribbon. It's excellent to give as a gift or pair with some cheese for a cheese platter, or put them in a jar, tie it with a nice little ribbon, maybe some greens for Christmas, or just keep for yourself. So we're just gonna put some of the nuts in a bowl. I'm gonna have a little party for myself. I'll bring our cheese board over here and add the nuts. And that's it. I'm gonna try one right now. You can taste that hint of vanilla with the cinnamon, the spice of the cinnamon. It pairs so well with the butteriness of the walnuts. This is the perfect snack. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.